Okay, so here you want to find the sum of a finite geometric series. Sum means addition. Well, how is this geometric? From -1 to 2, what are you multiplying by? You're multiplying by -2. From 2 to -4, what are you multiplying by? Same thing, -2. From -4 to 8, what are you multiplying by? -2. So, your R, or your common ratio, is -2. What is your first term? Your first term is -1. How many terms are there? There are 8 terms. Okay, I'm going to do this a long way first. So they want you to sum S of 8 of all 8 terms. So you need to add the first term, the second term, the third term, all the way until you get to the 8th term. What is your first term? It's -1. What is your second term? 2. -4. 8. How do we get the next term? Multiply by -2. So you should get -16. The next one, multiply by -2. So you should get 32. The next one, multiply by -2. You should get, -64. And then the last one, multiply by -2. You should get positive 128. So if you add all that up, you should get 85. Now that's a long way of doing it. We do have a formula. It's S of 8 is equal to A1, your first term, 1 minus R to the N. R is your common ratio, divided by 1 minus R. So this means okay. So what is A1? A1 was your first term, so it's -1. 1 minus, what is your common ratio? It's -2. How many terms are there? 8. Divided by 1 minus, what is R? -2. So if you plug all this in the calculator, you should get 85. Okay, I'm gonna do number 5 because the format is a little bit different. This is in sigma notation. This symbol right here, that means sum. This right here is your R. So most of the time, this is where you start. You start with M. You plug in M equals 1 and then M equals 2. This is where you end. So that means that there are 9 terms. Okay. How do you find A sub 1? You plug in 1. So it's M minus 1. You're going to plug in -3. 1 minus 1. That'll give you 0. Anything to the 0 will give you 1. Okay? Okay, let's use the formula. So S sub what now? There are 9 terms. Is equal to A sub 1, 1 minus R to the N divided by 1 minus R. What is your first term? It is 1. 1 minus, what is your R? Right here, -3. How many terms are there? 9. Divided by 1 minus, what is R? -3. If you plug all of this in, you should get 4,921.